Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic touring machines in Harley Davidson's lineup, the 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide. Known for its premium design, exceptional power, and all-around luxury, this bike represents Harley Davidson's pinnacle in touring comfort and style. So if you're curious about what this beast has to offer, stay tuned. Let's start with the design. The 2025 CVO Street Glide boasts a custom look straight from the factory. Harley has introduced some fresh color schemes this year, from classic blacks to eye-catching metallic finishes, catering to both the traditionalists and those who crave something modern. The Batwing fairing at the front is sculpted and aerodynamic, adding to the bike's visual appeal and wind resistance. Not to mention the LED lighting package that provides excellent visibility and a premium touch. Now let's talk power. The 2025 CVO Street Glide is equipped with Harley Davidson's Milwaukee-Eight 121 engine, a beast of a V-twin that churns out incredible torque, making highway cruising and overtaking a breeze. With a displacement of 1,983 cc, this engine is built for power and smooth delivery, offering a blend of performance and fuel efficiency that's ideal for both long hauls and quick rides. Harley has also improved the cooling system, which keeps engine temperature in check, especially in warmer conditions. One unique selling point is the premium audio experience. Harley Davidson has partnered with Rockford Fosgate to create a high-end audio system for the CVO series. So, if you're a music lover, the sound quality on this bike is crystal clear, even at highway speeds. So, there you have it, the 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Street Glide. Whether you're all about the touring lifestyle, or you just want a motorcycle with unmatched style and comfort, this bike is worth every penny. Thanks for watching, and let us know what you think about the CVO Street Glide in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Bike Culture Hub for more in-depth bike reviews, and as always, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.